welcome to Storytime Adventures with Miss Tori. I'm Miss Tori, and like I told you, we have a new song that we're going to do. It's probably not new to you guys because everybody probably knows Jingle Bells. And make sure you pick up your December packet because it's got your instrument for this month in it. I'm sending you Jingle Bells. And today we are going to sing Jingle Bells, and we're going to be singing Jingle Bells for the next couple weeks. So I know you guys are going to love these. And also in your December packet is going to be the words to Jingle Bells. So we're going to all sing it together. So here we go. Is everybody ready? Go get your bells. And let me switch hands here so I can hold them. And it's actually a little bracelet, okay? So you can put it around your wrist. And just wave your hands around. Oh, sleigh bells. Okay, everybody ready? Here we go. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey everybody, welcome to Storytime Adventures. Today's December the 16th, and our story today is called The Reindeer Christmas. I wonder if you know how Santa decided on reindeer to pull his sleigh. This is the story for that, okay? And then stay tuned after our story. We're going to show you how to make special reindeer food, okay? So here we go, The Reindeer Christmas. This is going to be a really good story. You're going to really like it. It's got really pretty pictures in it. Okay, here we go. One Christmas morning, just as dawn was breaking, two friends hurried through the forest. Faster, Elwin, urged Santa Claus. The sun is coming up. If anyone sees us, our magic will be lost forever. The next day, Santa Claus and Elwin, his chief elf, sat in front of the fire, sipping their cocoa and toasting their toes. Every year, there are more homes to visit and more presents to deliver. There just isn't enough time anymore, Elwin, said Santa sadly. This may be my last Christmas. Don't give up, Santa, said Elwin. There must be a way. They sat in silence, thinking. Winter was nearly over when Elwin had his wonderful idea. Eureka, he cried. That's it. That's the answer. Plans were carefully drawn up. But then everybody wanted to change them. Sometimes poor Elwin could hardly hear himself speak. So I think they decided that Santa is going to ride in a sleigh. Finally, Elwin got everyone to agree, and soon the workshop was humming with busy, excited elves. Santa wanted to see what was going on, but the elves would only say, "It's a secret." They're not telling Santa till they get it just right. At last, the secret was revealed. Santa was very impressed. Elwin, he said, it's splendid, but I can't pull this big sleigh, not even with you to help me. Elwin held up his hand. An elfin wish have I but one. I wish it once and then it's done. There's magic in this gift, I say I. Whoever pulls this sleigh will fly. But who will that be? Asked Santa. Don't worry, Santa. We'll find someone to help us. will advertise. So now they're going to look for somebody to pull the sleigh. And so they did. Oh, they put up a sign. Wanted someone to pull my sleigh Christmas Eve. Great rewards by Santa Claus. Look at all the animals. They're thinking, maybe we could do it. Oh, let's see. The first to apply for the job was an elephant named Murray. The takeoff was smooth and the landing was just perfect. But Murray didn't get the job. What happened to Murray? Murray was too big, so he fell through the house. Can't do that. Elephant's not going to work. Next came Marvin the crocodile and some of his friends. But they all had far too many teeth and looked much too hungry. Santa Claus was very polite when he turned them down. Oh, he said, I'm sorry, you can't do it. You look too scary with all those teeth. They wanted to pull Santa's sleigh. Rex, the leader of the Huskies, knew his team could do the job. If you want this sleigh pulled properly, he said, you need professionals. Certainly the takeoff was fast and the flight was steady. But then Rex looked down. With a yelp of fear, he tried to climb into the sleigh with Santa. So did everyone else. Oh no! The sleigh came to a sudden stop, then fell in swoops and circles till it splashed into a large pond. Oh no! Huskies don't like to fly. They got scared and jumped in the sleigh with Santa. That's not going to work. Through the summer, many others applied, but no one was quite right for the job. Winter came once again, and still there was no one to pull the sleigh. Santa Claus was worried. The day before Christmas, a young reindeer knocked on Santa's door. One of my friends has fallen into a gorge and broken his leg, he said. Can you help us? I'll come at once, said Santa. We could use the sleigh for an ambulance, said Elwin. That's a good idea, said Santa Claus, but there's no one to pull it. We could, said the reindeer, and that is what they did. The gorge was deep and narrow, but Santa carefully guided the sleigh to where the fallen reindeer lay. Gently, Santa and Elwin lifted him onto the soft cushions. Then Santa whistled, and up they flew. As soon as his friend was comfortable, the reindeer came back to see Santa Claus. To thank you for your kindness, we would like to pull your sleigh tonight. I can't think of anyone better, said Santa Claus, and so it was decided. Now Santa Claus knew he could deliver each and every present and still be home before the sun rose on Christmas morning. And so began a journey that would happen every year until forever. And that's how the reindeer came to pull Santa's sleigh.
Hi everybody, my name is Miss Rebekah and I'm going to be filling in for Tori for this activity. We're going to learn how to make reindeer food. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some oats, you're going to need some sugar, and you're going to need very colorful sprinkles and a bowl. Alright, so you're going to take your oats and you're going to put a half cup of oats into your bowl. You may want your parents to help you with this. Alright, pour it in there. Try not to spill. I know it's hard. All right, and then you're gonna want to take your 4th cup, and you want to put a 4th cup of sugar into the bowl. Reindeer really like sugar, and so do I. All right, and the fun part, we're gonna add a spoonful of sprinkles. Now it can be a little bit more than a spoonful if you want. I'm gonna add a spoonful. All right, now we're gonna add a spoonful of sprinkles. Okay, and if you want, you can take your spoon and mix it, or if your bowl has a lid, you can shake it and make sure it's closed very tightly so you're not spilling anything. Alrighty, and there you have it. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to sprinkle it on the lawn at night. The moon will make it sparkle bright. As Santa's reindeer fly and roam, this treat will guide them to your home. So make sure to put this out on December 24th, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Bye!